Good morning, it is day 13 of our trip to Thailand and we are still in Koh Sok. Still got this amazing blue water around us. It's 20 past 6 in the morning and we're about to do the safari. Hoping we'll see some animals, maybe monkeys, spiders, elephants, I don't know. We still have this amazing view. You can see the low clouds hanging over the mountains. Looking for bison, maybe. Have spotted a very tired Emma Bonehill over there. Not seen anything yet.
This is the one that goes arched across at the buffet.
Oh yeah, along the branch.
Yes. Yeah, along the branch. It comes this way.
See, do we know what kind?
Long tail.
Oh, he jumped. Right at the top.
There's two.
Tarzan. Is he swinging?
Yes. You can see them moving on the left, on the right. They're about the same level. The one
Yeah.
that's slightly lower down would be.
Toast for me.
That would be.
Oh, absolutely no give.
I can't bounce from it.
And the pillow, like a book. Sleeping on a book.
Head on the shelf.
Messiest brush in the world. There's a full head of hair on that.
It's only been used for a week.
Like heck when I cleaned it out the other day.
We shouldn't complain too much about the room because we expected it to be very rough and ready. And it served its purpose.
I'm tired.
But you're tired.
I got 2 hours of sleep last night because I could hear people. I could hear the floorboards creaking.
It bounces around a bit, doesn't it? It's like living on a boat.
On the bit that was liable to tip you into the lake.
You never got tipped.
I know, I was over here.
You stole my bit. Emma. Next trip is the waterfall and we might get wet. Joe and Emma have got trousers on because of leeches. Emma, have you ever been eaten by a leech? No, not yet. That didn't hurt. You don't scare me. Big climb there. Oh no, we just missed the flying lizard. Joe saw it. Did it have big wings? Thank you. What was better, that waterfall or the one?
That one.
Why?
Because I didn't have to walk as far.
Didn't get to swim though.
I swam in my underwear last time.
Okay. I just wondered. Thank you. And as if by magic, we've moved on. We are now at Ayonang Beach in Krabi. But before we move on, I really should say about how much we enjoyed Khao Sok and the Smiley bungalows. They've done really well keeping the place look at its natural best. The dam appeared 45 years ago to fill up the lake, and since then they've kept it as a nature reserve and not allowed the same building that's happened everywhere else in Thailand. And the tours are great. I think it's Kit Kat and Kai who run the tours. Fantastic, really funny lads, and full of information. We enjoyed those. So if you are travelling between Koh Samui Islands and Phuket, Krabi, then it's a bit of a pain to get to, but well worth the trip to go to Ayonang. And this apartment is just what the doctor ordered. It's got a fancy outdoor bath here, and obviously that great view. And heading inside, it's got a kitchen, nice seating area, 2 bedrooms, one for us and one for Emma, and most importantly, a washing machine. So as the sun is setting, we're gonna get cleaned up, ready for tonight. Not going to have Thai food tonight because my stomach needs a bit of a rest from it. We are now out on Ayonang. Lots of shops, restaurants. It's a bigger place than we've been to, other than Bangkok so far. Well, I've had a piece of leaf for dinner. Emma's got leaf as well. Oh, we've got leaf. Well, it was burgers, and Jo stuck with her Thai dish. It's very good of her.
I'm watching Icon.
And we have a view of Ayonang Beach Promenade. We found Ayonang Beach and a marlin, a great big marlin. It's a very British accent the guy from the Muay Thai band has. Well, we're just back after a couple of hours out, and the washing machine still says 21 minutes left on it. That's ridiculous. No wonder there's so many laundrettes in Thailand.